Alrighty guys, real quick, I got an 05 300 right here guys with a 5.7 Hemi. Now this thing came in for oil leak and the mechanic diagnosed it as a rear main oil seal. I guess he based that off this drip right here and a couple of drips right here. Although an oil pan can cause that, he says definitely the rear main oil seal. How you know? I don't know, but my job is to remove the transmission so he can get it replaced. So that's why I'm here to do just that. Now, what do we have here? This is the rear main seal, guys. Actually, it's the complete retainer. Okay, it's a Mopar part, so good thing on that. I'm happy about that part. So got a little seal right here already on it. I'm gonna put a little extra RTV on there anyway, and I'm hoping I don't have to remove the oil pan and get this off. But this is the retainer I'm about to get them to get installed. I just got to remove the transmission for them. I'm helping out, guys. Okay, I don't mind as long as I get paid. You know how that is, right? So I have a lot of work to do. This is nag one, not that bad, man. Y'all stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm still working on this rear main seal. I'm getting ready to take this retainer off. Remember, it has the seal included in it. Okay, here's the oil pan. Okay, I had to remove the oil pan. I think I'm gonna go ahead and replace the oil pan gasket. But let's talk about RTV use. I see a couple of guys in the comment section pretty adamant about not using RTV. Okay, that is on you, the individual mechanic. Guys, if you're working on a certain job and you feel a certain type of way about using RTV to help something seal better, go for it. Okay, there's no one size fit all. Okay, if one mechanic don't like RTV use on these because that's the way it is in the book, then he don't have to do it. But if you feel your job is going to be secure and your job is going to be successful at sealing this leak because of RTV use, go for it. Okay, that's my opinion. All right, everybody's different. No two mechanics are the same. Yes, I'm going to use some freaking RTV where I feel is needed. My feeling might be different than yours. And guess what? That's okay. Okay, so let me finish this damn job.